Hey, it's Jim from Intermountain Custom Models. So this engine's going to be up for sale on eBay. It's Intermountain new SD40-2W. It has custom ditch lights because the ditch lights on the model out of the box are incredibly poor. So why don't we just take a look at this and then we'll see it running. So it's the headlights, ditch lights, perfectly synced together, and the number board lights. So let's just besides the ditch light design that Intermountain, I don't know, continues to goof up on their past two model sets, the Gevos and the 40-2s. The engines are really nice and run nice and have that great Tsunami sound in them, but I don't know what the deal is with their ditch light design. They really need to figure that out. Maybe hire somebody who knows what they're doing, but and again. Okay, this will be up for sale on eBay probably by the time the video hits YouTube. Look for it, and I have 3 more that I plan on doing the same to. All CNs, either the CN zebra striped or the CN with the lettering with the CN.com or .ca underneath it, or the continent. I have all 4 of the SD40-2s with Tsunami sound. All right, see you guys later.